Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and this is
Ashlyn.
And today we are here because we're going to be unboxing my January 2020 Stitch Fix box. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a personal styling service. You pay $20 to have a box styled for you. You fill out a profile to tell your likes, your dislikes, your measurements, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she is going to choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, accessories, scarves, jackets, whatever you would like to have, and then those items get shipped to you for free. You get to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and then you decide what you like and what you don't like. If you decide to keep anything from the box, then that $20 styling fee does get applied to the cost of anything that you're keeping in the box. So if you decide to keep all 5 items, then you get a 25% discount and you get to apply that $20 styling fee, so that makes for a really good deal. We're gonna go ahead and get into the box to see what I have for this month. When you open up the box, you do get the directions on the inside of what to do. It's really simple and convenient. Inside, you have your prepaid mailer to send back anything that doesn't fit or anything you're not going to keep or any exchanges that you need to make. And you get an envelope right here that has your price invoice sheet. I'm going to set that to the side. And you also get a card that has the style suggestions for the pieces that you're getting. And you get a note from your stylist, and I'm going to read that real quick. It says, "Welcome to your last fix of the year, Jennifer. Can you believe we will be celebrating a new year? I hope you had a fabulous holiday season with family and friends. Hopefully you got some time off and don't have to go back till after the new year. Thank you so much for your kind words. I'm so glad that you are happy with all of your fixes. I get so excited to style you every time your fix comes around. I, of course, took a peek at your Pinterest style board and saw those comfy, cozy pieces that you mentioned in your request for fix number 17. I noticed a lot of purple items pinned, and I was able to snag you one of your most recent pins, the pink Clover cowl neck knit top. I know the prices are a little higher and the red top may push your comfort zone, but it's a great date night piece. Layer on the trendy fuzzy cardi. Happy New Year, XX Kara." And so here's what my style card looks like. And I like how they give you the suggestions to go with each piece. And so that, I always keep these. I think they're good to look back and see what you should pair with your items. So, all right.
This one's heavy.
It is a heavy bundle. And so that is what my bundle looks like. Ooh, that's kind of soft.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna go ahead and open up the top. All right, so first item on the top is, it says 9 Britton Covanna lace-up detail blouse in burgundy. And it looks like this. That's really pretty. It has the lace up front. It's got some pretty detail in a V shape on the front. Looks like it has a 3/4 sleeve with some elastic band at the end. I love the color of this top. The back is just basic. Yeah, so that looks like a really nice dress top that I could wear to work, church, or just out. So that's pretty. Next, ooh, that's soft, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it does say it's a Stitch Fix exclusive. And this is the pink Clover Sybill cowl neck knit top in purple. And so it has the cowl neck. Yeah, this looks very casual. And it's got the cowl neck with the ties right there. It's got the striped detail in the middle, and it looks like it may have a little bit of a high-low, the ties on the front, a solid sleeve with some striped at the bottom. So that's really cute and looks cozy. I like pieces like that.
Mm-hmm.
Next is a pair of pants. And it's by Liverpool. It is the Jacqueline skinny pant in black. And so that looks like just a nice pair of black pants. Really nice dark black, which I like. And it's almost like a nice legging material. It has pockets in the back. The pockets on the front are just kind of fake pockets there for decoration. So yeah, I like black pants. I think they go with just about everything. So yeah. Those look nice. The only issue might be is whether or not they're long enough. Next is a sweater. And it is also a Stitch Fix exclusive. It says it's by Fate. It is the Clairina textured pullover in purple. And it looks like that. So it has like a lighter kind of purple and a darker colored purple and then a light bottom. Same thing for the sleeve. You got the light to darker to light again. It is soft, but it's not super soft. And it has like that chunkier knit from what I can tell. But I like sweaters, so we'll see how that fits. And then last but not least, this is kind of soft. And this is
a cardigan.
It is a cardigan. It's by Dakota. It is the Barbara Fuzzy 2-pocket cardigan, and it says it's in white, but it looks like kind of like a cream color.
It looks like vanilla ice cream.
Looks like vanilla ice cream according to Ashlyn. So it's just this really nice fuzzy cardigan. You can see the fuzzy look to it. It is very soft. It does have pockets, which are nice. It has a nice flat front right here. Looks like a pretty good length. So yeah, I think I'm gonna like that. So we are going to try this stuff on and we will be right back. All right, guys, we are back with this first piece, and this is the cow neck top by Pink Clover. It is a Sybill cow neck knit top in purple. And it's not like purple, it's kind of like a dusty purple. And so it has the strings here. And it has the cow neck right here. This is just a really soft and cozy piece. The length of the sleeves are really good. It does have just a slightly lower back, but it does go down pretty good in the back. Super comfortable and soft. So yeah. Ashley, what do you think about this one?
I give it 2 thumbs up.
She gives it 2 thumbs up. Tell me what you guys think about it. Is it too big? It is a large, and I usually wear a large top, but I think if you wash it, that would be good to have a large. So, all right, I will be back with the next piece. All right, I am back with the second piece, and this is the 9 Britton Covanna lace-up detail blouse in burgundy, and it has this lace-up detail right here on the chest. It's got some detail that goes in a V. It does cut kind of low because I have on a black cami, and you can see the black cami. It's got the 3/4 length sleeve. It just feels like it's made of polyester and comes down pretty good in the front, and it's about the same in the back. So yeah, that's pretty. Tell me what you guys think about this top. Do you like it? I love the color. Ashley, what do you think?
I give it 2 thumbs up.
So go ahead and give me your feedback on this shirt and tell me what you think about it. Does it cut down too low? What do you guys think? I'll be right back. She said to put that cardigan over top of this. I'll be right back. All right, so I am back with this third piece, and this is the cardigan, and she did suggest to layer it over top of the burgundy shirt. And this is the Dakota Barbara Fuzzy 2-pocket cardigan in white. And like I said, it's kind of like an off-white, but it is super fuzzy. I do wish the cuffs were a little bit tighter. It has a flat front. It is super soft, and you can see the little fuzzy detail on it. I do wonder about the washing and care instructions for this cardigan, but it has the flat front, has the 2 pockets, which are nice. Comes down about a little bit mid-thigh. Same in the back. Very comfy, very warm, very cozy. But like I said, I'm just curious about the care and the washing instructions because we'll have to check that out. So, all right, I'll be back with the next 2 pieces. All right, so I'm back with the last 2 pieces in my box, and I have on this sweater. It is the Fate Clairina textured pullover in purple, and I have on the black pants, and those are by Liverpool. So let's start with the pullover. It's soft. Is it too big? That's what I kind of wonder, because I'm kind of in between some sizes right now. I don't mind it, like the blocking. It is soft. The sleeves come down long enough. It does cover my butt, which is always good. So overall, it's not bad. I like it. Okay, let's talk about these pants. Love Liverpool pants. But these pants have a lot of room around the top, and especially they're great length, but they have a lot of bunching here at the bottom, and they are supposed to be kind of like a legging, so I would expect that to be tighter. So I probably need to size down to a 10 in this. I'm kind of going back and forth between my pants, between a 10 and a 12, but I like them. They're comfy. They are super stretchy, so that's why I think I could size down to a 10, especially since I'm trying to lose some weight. But overall, this is really comfortable. So I guess we'll be right back to talk about prices. All right, guys, we are back to do a recap and to talk about some prices and how I feel about those items. And the first thing that I have here is this BB Dakota Barbara Fuzzy 2-pocket cardigan in white. And this is beautiful. It is a hand wash only item, and I'm not great at hand washing items. I like things that can go in the washer and can be hung up to dry, or I can throw in the dryer. And so it's beautiful, but I'm a teacher and I feel like this would get super dirty at work. And on top of it, it is a $98 cardigan. And so I think I'm going to be sending this one back. I don't think I can spend that. I don't have it in me to do that. So that's looking like it's going back. Beautiful, but way too expensive. Next are these Liverpool pants, and they are the Jacqueline skinny pant in black. And these are great. They're super stretchy and comfortable, but they were a little bit big around my waist and in the back, in the legs. They were bagging up. So I think what I'm going to do is try to see if they have a size 10, and if they do, I'm going to exchange them for a size 10. And those are $78, which is normal for Liverpool. Next is the Fate Clairina texture pullover in purple, and it is $68, so another pricier item. It's pretty. It's a little bit boxy. I felt like it looked really big on me, and it's got that kind of chunky knit, so I worry that it's going to get picked. And it's also another hand wash item, so I just don't know that I want to keep this hand wash item, so I think it's going to be going back. Next is the pink Clover Sybill cowl neck knit top in purple, and that was this one. And this one was really comfy and really soft. It did look a little bit big on me, but for items like this, I don't mind it to be a little bit bigger. And then I feel like when you wash this item, it might shrink a little bit. So it is $44, so I think I'm going to keep that one. And then last but not least, I have this 9 Britton Covanna lace-up detail blouse in burgundy, and it is $44. And this one is really pretty. My husband really liked it. I just think I need to wear a cami that comes up a little bit more. The one I have on right now keeps trying to slip down. Let's see, I think it's polyester, and it's machine wash, and it's really pretty. So I think I'm gonna keep it, but you guys tell me what you think about that top. And so this was an expensive box. My stylist picked subtotal was $332. If I buy all 5, which I'm not gonna be doing, that would be a 25% discount, and that would take off $83. And so the order subtotal would be $249. I do not get the $20 styling fee because I have the style pass, and I've had that for a while. So my order total would be the $249. I do have a $50 credit. I got a gift card from somebody in my family, and so that would take that off of this, but still I'm looking at sending 2, maybe 3 items back. I just don't do well with hand wash items or items that are super difficult to care for. So you guys weigh in the comments below and tell me what you think. I'm gonna leave my $50 referral link. I've had that going and it's still been active, and as long as it's still active, I'll put it in the description box below. If that one's not working, then I'll put the $25 link. And basically, if you click on that and you sign up with Stitch Fix, you're gonna get that $50 credit, and I'll get $50 too. So I always forget to say to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you like these types of videos. And until next time, bye guys.